What's going on, my foodie foodsters? It's your boy Darneezy back at it with another one. I'm down here at Subway. I heard about their new Subway series lineup.
For the all-new Subway series menu.
So what we gonna do is give it a shot. I looked it up online, and what I'm gonna do is go with the great garlic. It comes with a garlic aioli sauce, so let's give it a shot. Let's go!
This is exciting, Tony.
All right, like I said, I went with the great garlic. It comes with chicken, got some type of garlic aioli sauce on it. And you know, I added a little bit of their vinaigrette dressing on it too, just to spice it up. Their Subway vinaigrette, whatever they call it now. It's not called that no more, but whatever. All right, here it is right here. As you can hear, let me make a little bib here because I don't want to get sauce all on me. Here you go. So you got the chicken in there. It comes with bacon. It got the garlic aioli sauce, lettuce, tomato. I added green pepper, onions. You know, we did it up. Let's go in. Let's go. Cheers.
It looks so good. It makes me hangry.
I also got their cheesy bread. Not bad. I guess Subway trying to get back up in the game.
Now I'm hangry.
Woo! Subway got it going on. I got that cheesy bread. You taste the herbs on that bread. I can taste that garlic aioli sauce. It is very garlicky. Not too much, just enough. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Just call them. I can taste the garlic aioli sauce. By the way, I added jalapenos too. So it added a little heat to it. Your chicken's better than it used to be. When they used to serve those cheap chicken patties. This chicken here, it definitely has a roasted texture to it. It's pretty good. One more bite and I'm gonna rate it. Let's go in. Like I said, your chicken's better. Out of 10, it ain't bad. I'm gonna have to give them a 7.5. With their old chicken, that would have got a 4.5. But this is pretty good. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell. Food loves me too. Love y'all. One.
Food loves me too. All right now.
All right now. Food loves me too. Yeah.